In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use management reports in QuickBooks Online. So whether you're a seasoned business owner or someone who's just getting started with financial reporting, this guide will walk you through the essential steps you need to take in order to efficiently utilize management reports for your business. Let's get started. The very first thing we need to do is click on the sign in button. If you're already familiar with this part, then you're off to a great start. Signing in opens the door to your business's financial landscape. Once you've clicked on sign in, you'll be directed to choose QuickBooks Online. This platform is your gateway to understanding your business better, so it's important to get these initial steps right. Next, you'll want to type in your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct email and password for your QuickBooks Online account. This is crucial because it ensures that all your financial data is secure and correctly linked to your business. After entering your credentials, simply hit continue to access the main dashboard. Now that we're inside QuickBooks, it's time to navigate to reports. You'll find this option likely placed conveniently within your QuickBooks menu. Reports in QuickBooks Online act as the heart of your financial data, allowing you to analyze your financial health with ease and accuracy. Once you're in the reports section, we need to click on Management Reports. Management reports are a fantastic tool for summarizing and analyzing your business's financial data. They provide key insights into areas such as profitability, cash flow, and financial stability, helping you make informed business decisions. After selecting Management Reports, you'll want to choose your desired report timeline under the Report Period dropdown. Here, you can set the time frame for which you'd like to view your reports. Whether you're looking at the past month, quarter, or year, selecting the correct period will give you a clear picture of how your business has been performing during that time frame. With your timeline selected, go ahead and click on Preview. Previewing your reports before finalizing them is a good practice because it allows you to check that all the information you'll be analyzing is accurate and falls within the correct period. It's a key step to ensure that your reports will be as informative and useful as possible. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're now equipped to use management reports effectively within QuickBooks Online. These reports are an invaluable tool for gaining deeper insights into your business and guiding it towards success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to use these insights to drive your business forward.